It's 2 a.m. While the rest of the city is asleep, a junior analyst is manually pulling metrics from a PDF to a spreadsheet. This is the traditional, high-friction reality of institutional finance. The process is grueling. It requires an analyst to sit for hours, manually updating three-statement models cell by cell, or hunting for a single mismatch across thousands of general ledger entries. To solve this, Anthropic released an open-source financial services stack. It is a library of pre-configured tools designed to strip the manual data entry out of the analyst's workflow. The industry is paying attention. This repository has already crossed 20,000 stars on GitHub, signaling massive interest from engineering teams who are now pulling this code to build their own internal systems. By making these specialized models publicly available, the barrier to automating high finance tasks has dropped. Firms are moving away from manual spreadsheet grinding toward a model where specialized AI handles the initial labor. The repository is built around named agents. Unlike a standard chatbot, these are programs configured to own a specific financial workflow from start to finish. For example, the pitch agent doesn't just chat about a deal, it synthesizes comparable company data and precedent transactions into a fully branded pitch deck for review. Then there is the GL Reconciler agent. This agent is built to scan ledgers, find accounting breaks, and trace the root cause of a discrepancy, significantly shortening the month-end close. But an agent is only as good as the information it can see. In finance, an AI is limited if it cannot access live institutional-grade data. This stack solves the data problem using the Model Context Protocol. It acts as a bridge, wiring the AI node directly into 11 built-in data connectors. These connectors allow the agents to pull real-time metrics directly from FactSet, PitchBook, Morningstar, and S&P Global. When you connect these specialized reasoning agents to verified market data, you create a system capable of handling the heavy lifting of a financial analyst team. The next question for any firm is how to actually integrate these tools into their daily operations without disrupting their existing tech stack. Option 1, the Cowork UI plugin. It provides a human-facing assistant inside standard applications to draft memos or run models. Option 2, the Managed Agents API. Designed for headless deployment, this AI operates in the background, triggered automatically by an internal workflow engine. Because both options use the same underlying source code and prompts, firms can maintain consistency across their entire organization, regardless of how an individual team interacts with the AI. This dual architecture gives institutions the flexibility to deploy AI in the way that best fits their culture, as a visible collaborator or an invisible automation engine. In finance, precision is non-negotiable. Institutional risk management means there is no room for errors or hallucinations associated with generic AI. To maintain safety, this system is engineered with a strict compliance boundary. It is built to act strictly as an analyst that produces drafts for review. The AI is restricted from high-risk actions. It cannot execute transactions, it cannot find risk, or operate as a trading bot. Every model, memo, and KYC flag the system generates is staged for mandatory human sign-off. The final responsibility always rests with a qualified professional. Ultimately, the firms that succeed will be those that master this orchestration. They will use silicon to handle the data labor, while their humans focus on high-level strategy and risk. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. We review tools like this every week, so you're always ahead. Now, if you liked Claude's financial services, you're going to love our break.